Hi friends, welcome to Laxmails 31. I am Sai Lakshmi, hope you are doing well. In today's video, I am going to show you how to display bottom 10 sales in Tableau. In my previous video, I have already explained how to display top 10 sales in Tableau. This is another part of it to display bottom 10 sales in Tableau. Without any delay, let me open Tableau public application and show you how to create bottom 10 sales in Tableau. I have opened Tableau public application and I have created a new worksheet and I have renamed it as how to display bottom 10 sales in Tableau. Let's get started. I have taken sample superstore data for the demonstration and we need a dimension and a measure to create a basic chart which display the sales. So we need a dimension, so I have taken subcategory, and as I said, we are going to display bottom 10 sales, so I'm going to select sales. We can select any dimension. Why I have taken subcategory is like it has a lot of members in the subcategory dimension. So let me create a simple calculation to display the number of subcategories available under subcategory dimension. I'm going to create a calculated field. I am going to take a function index and used it to create a calculated field, and I am renaming it as subcategory index, and I am clicking on OK, and I am bringing the subcategory index to row shelf. Since it is a measure, I am changing it to discrete. So measure is always continuous. That is why I have taken a dimension to split it up individually, and I am swapping the subcategory index to in the row shelf to the left. So now we can see we have 17 subcategories available in our sheet. So what I am going to do is, let me remove for a while because I just want to sort it up. I'm going to sort it, and then I'm bringing the index and changing it to discrete and swapping the dimensions in the row shelf. Now we can see subcategory sales by subcategory is visible over here, and I'm enabling the label. Now you can see the sales for 17 subcategories. Now we just need bottom 10 subcategories, so I'm going to create a set because that is the easy way to create or to display top 10 sales in Tableau. So I'm right clicking on subcategory and creating a set, because we have other ways to do it, but it requires manually. Like no, when the data is updated, we won't be able to see what has happened with the new data. When it is a set, we are going to select this option. So there is a tab over here, top tab. Under top tab there is an option called by field. Here we can see top 10 or bottom 10. So in my previous video I have already explained about top 10, so today I'm selecting bottom 10. You can even change the number over here. Like if you don't like to see 10, you can even put it 5 or 2, 3, whatever number required. Now I am giving 10 over here and changing the dimension here. I'm changing the measure. I mean, we have lot of columns over here. Since we are planning to see bottom 10 sales, I am selecting sales, and the function is sum. We have lot of aggregated functions available: average, median, count, etc. Now that we are looking at bottom 10 sales, I am selecting sum and I am clicking on OK, and I am going to bring this set to filter shelf. Automatically it will take the members in the set. Let me show you. So it has, you can see the highlighted options, show members in set. So whatever members available in set, it will display here, and it will automatically take show members in set. If you don't want it, you can select in or out of set, so that it will display all values available in subcategory set. Now we can see bottom 10 sales only. Earlier we have lot of values available, I mean 17 values available before doing this. Now let me add it again to see the difference. So now we can see only bottom 10 sales. This is how you can create bottom 10 sales easily and quickly. We have a lot of other ways to do this, but this is the easiest way and inbuilt way, so we can go with this to do it quickly. Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.